Rain by Charles Bukowski. A symphony orchestra. There is a thunderstorm. They are playing a Wagner overture, and the people leave their seats under the trees and run inside the pavilion. The women giggling, the men pretending calm, wet cigarettes being thrown away. Wagner plays on, and then they are all under the pavilion. The birds even come in from the trees and enter the pavilion, and then it is the Hungarian Rhapsody No. 2 by Liszt, and it still rains. But look, one man sits alone in the rain, listening. The audience notices him. They turn and look. The orchestra goes about its business. The man sits in the night, in the rain, listening. There is something wrong with him, isn't there? He came to hear the music.